So we've got a bit of a problem.
What's the problem?
So I noticed a bit of a leak with the power steering hose.
Oh, yeah.
And it's become quite obvious because it's dripping onto the exhaust and smoking out the bonnet. So I think it's time to fix it.
All right. Should we get into it? Can you see it down there? Where is it?
Oh, it's way down there.
It might actually be almost easier to reach in from the wheel, but we'll see. All right. Let's get this thing jacked up. So far, so good. There we go. Check this with a quick... Yep, well, I mean, it's sort of on that. All right. We might as well see how fast it goes while it's on the jack. Let's... Wheel. Oh, yeah. His stuff's in there somewhere.
It's still going to be quite hard.
Good. It's precision work taking place. So it's not really going to plan, I think.
No.
Let's just say that's really... We're going to have to use a socket to get that off. That is massively tight.
And we're at the point of no return now.
We are. I hope this is the problem.
Yeah.
Imagine. Put some effort into it.
It's a fine art of not smacking your hand / cutting the other pipes around it.
Don't worry about the pipes. You can buy new ones.
Yay.
Hope you cut the right pipe.
I think so.
Mechanic life.
Yeah.
That would help, but...
Oh, I got it. I've got wheel all over my hands now.
It's going to look like you've done something today.
Right, now we're going to undo these. Let's say at 10. Yes.
Strong enough to do it?
I'm hoping.
You?
If I'm not, then there's some problems.
Well, okay, we're a bit of a problem, don't we? Oh.
Oh. Nah, that's alright.
Anyway, honestly. Look at that. Brand new. There we go. Brand new piece there. Alright, so we get the socket into there. 19mm. Round 37, let's do it. I believe in you.
Oh, I got it.
I hope so. Otherwise you just rip the steering rack out of the car.
Broke something else, I think.
Yeah. Well, that was simple.
Okay. Sweet. So, this is the new bit. We've put the brackets on. We need to tighten that up, actually.
Definitely probably should be tightened up. I'm just going to put it out there.
Tighten that up properly. Those will just be screwed on. So yeah, we're ready to put that back in now.
Does he know how it came out?
No.
Feed that down there.
So that...
I think that goes there.
I think so. I mean, there is a big hole there, so...
Got the seal on it?
Yep.
So then what? This bracket's got to go on there. For 10mm, and we'll whip all those up. Yep. All right.
Now
I got to get down there and do all that stuff.
I can't see what I'm doing, but it feels like it's working.
Good.
So we managed to finally get it all bolted in. It was actually quite hard down the bottom there just to get that bracket back, but yeah, we can fill it up with power steering fluid and then work our way through the procedure that Honda gave us to bleed the fluid through so we can try and eliminate all the air bubbles. Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Oh well, we're done now. In theory, we just got a little bit of a tidy up here. We've got a little bit of a spillage, but it works.
Yeah, we'll take it for a quick drive and just make sure it feels all good.
Yep. Well, it's working. Power steering appears to be working. Nah, it's all good. Easy, that was a piece of cake. We'll see him turn this corner, see if he's able to do it. One-handed even.
Yeah, that's a good sign.
All right.
Alright, on to the next project.
All right. Catch you next time.